It's a Monday, and we need to wait how the price will behave around this area of resistance. 4643.93 is the next resistance where the price has reached after the Friday candle has closed above the area of resistance 4541.32. We can see that the price formed a bullish breakout on a Friday with a strong bullish candle going above this area of resistance, and the smaller resistance that was here around 4569. We can round this number to the 4570, and the price continued to rise in value, coming very close to this area of resistance, and then when the price has reached it, it has bounced back down on a Friday. We'll see on the 4-hour time frame is that at the end of the day when the price has gone out from their trades or during the day. And after that we can see the Monday has starting to move slightly down to 4593, and then continue to rise in value, reaching the area of resistance, which was expected. If you have not watched the previous analysis, check the Friday analysis about this one. So on the Friday, let's see how the price has behaved during the day. On the Friday, this was the area where the analysis was made, around 4541.32. Just have in mind that I have adapted the support and resistance levels, what I have explained in the previous analysis, to adapt to the market conditions. So it's slightly moved down this area of resistance 4588.72. And we can see the prices continue to rise in value, reaching the area, forming a strong bullish candle during the day. That we can see that this was around 1700. It is the afternoon, and then the price continued to rise in value. In the next 4 hours, when the price has come very close to the end of the day, the price has formed a small bearish candle, trying to reach this area of resistance and then slightly go down. We can see that the price has returned down, and on a 1-hour time frame we'll see this area of support has been reached today, not on a Friday, but this area of 4602.78 was reached on a Friday. We can see the price has formed a small retrace. So this retrace was not very strong, which means the sellers who are waiting here are not so strong. The buyers are much stronger. So the conclusion is that I'm expecting the price will continue to rise in value, reaching higher price levels, making a bullish breakout above 4643.93. And the next stop where the price will have issues, we need to go a little bit in the past and see where these are wicks and open close of these candles. Where is the confluence of support and resistance? And this is here, where we can see around 4690. If you take a look on the 4-hour time frame, do we have 4-hour time frame support and resistance levels? We have around 4696.93. So this is based on the previous support and resistance from the past. This is the area where the price has confluence, fight between the buyers and sellers. So this is the next target for today, if the price managed to make a bullish breakout. We can see the price on the 4-hour time frame is trying to make a bullish breakout. If it makes, this is the next resistance, the target where the price will go, and then when it reaches, slightly retrace could happen on the price, but we need to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. Is it a strong one or a weak one? But we can see based on this one, the bulls are much stronger, so this means there is a less chance that the price will reverse and retrace back all the way below this area of resistance because of the strength of the bulls. Now on the daily time frame, we can see this is strong movement. There is no too much of these bearish candles. The sellers are not so strong. The resistance was not respected so strong. We'll see how the price will behave at the end of the day around this area of resistance. Will it go up and then return back down, which will indicate a pretty strong selling pressure right here waiting, or the price will continue to rise in value. Now let's take a look on the past, how the prices behave around this area of resistance. The first one that we can see is this one here. Pretty easily the price has gone up and reached this area of resistance, 4754, this area of resistance. The next attempt was right here, also similar scenario, bullish breakout, easily reaching this area of resistance and then returning back down. In the past, around this area, the price has also formed a bullish breakout right here and then easily reached this area of resistance. So each time when the price is reaching this area of resistance, the price easily goes up and reaches this area and then return back down. So I'm expecting the same scenario here making a bullish breakout, easily reaching 4754.91. This is the area of resistance on the daily time frame, and then retracing back down. So what do you think about this scenario? Do you think it will be easily making a bullish breakout and then the next target will be this one, or the price will return back down, reaching around 4670 and then retracing back down on the 4-hour time frame and then pushing up, or the price will have problems making a bullish breakout at the current resistance level? Feel free to leave a comment, and see you again. Do not forget to join the Ultimate Markets Data Broker I'm using so we can trade together. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.